If you'd like to renew your membership with a prepaid card, visit creative.adobe.com/redeem and sign in. Then, enter the code at the back of the card. Make sure that the prepaid card you purchase is for the correct subscription and region. For example, you can't extend a Creative Cloud membership with a single app prepaid card. Similarly, you can only use a student-teacher prepaid card to extend a student-teacher membership. If you originally purchased your membership with a credit card, using a prepaid card will extend your membership for its specified subscription period, and regular billing will resume when the prepaid period expires. To manage your Adobe subscriptions and your payment information, visit account.adobe.com, log in with your Adobe ID, and click on the Plans tab. To learn more about managing your Adobe subscriptions, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.